What's up, Crooks Moto crew? Today's a special video. We got the 2023 recap video. Been working on this for a little bit of time. Went through and looked at all the vlogs that we did this year. Basically all the content that we filmed this year. Gathered together a bunch of the greatest moments, fun parts of the trips, good times, good vibes, the people that we met, the places we went, and compiled it into a big video for you guys. Stick around for the end. We got some exciting news for you about the channel and the growth and everything like that. So let's get this video started, dude. Let's go.
In 5 years?
Well, hopefully down in Brazil.
What's up, Crooks Moto? Today is new bike day.
These powder coat parts are so sick.
It's a wheel.
It's a wheel. Super good.
Dude, you can't even tell that I freaking shaved those by hand, dude.
I know. Yeah, dude. Oil tank came out super good, guys. Look at this. So clean. That's a pretty good sized tank.
That's my rear fender, dude.
Sportster engine rebuild. I've got the case officially transferred. Timing gears back in. Got the engine fully assembled. We're going on a road trip in a car. We're headed to Bend to go see the homie Donnie and go rip some snowboards.
Let's go!
Yeah, dude.
Jungle go, bro.
Got geared up.
Yeah.
Just got to the mountain. Ready to shreddy, dude.
Yeah! Let's get go! Mr. Crowley!
What's up, Crooks Moto? We're going to High Desert Harley-Davidson. Today we're gonna be riding 2 random bikes we don't know about. All right, guys, so we're loading up right now, getting all our gear on. Dude, you excited for this rip? Yep. What's up, Crooks Moto? Today, we got Dirty and Josh headed to the Vintage Motorcycle Show. And from there on, we're gonna go hit that motorcycle show. We're going on a ride portion today, and then tomorrow we're going to be visiting the actual show. Yeah. Ooh, sick. We found Dirty's bike.
A bike, well, that's like 230 miles out the crate. You're, you know, just ready to go, dude.
Yo, what up, Crooks Moto crew? So today we got Maui on a bike. That's about to be sick. Supercross Championship. It's gonna be sick. All right, guys, we're here at Idaho Joe's. All right, guys.
Turn my frown upside down. Token grump.
Oh yeah. Cheers, y'all. Dude, we got Crooks Moto and Supercross. All right, little rain update. Got a little rain. Josh just hooked it up with the frickin' Crooks Moto Shootout, dude. On the fucking thing here. Said Crooks Moto in the building. All right, boys, sanding on the limes, dude. Getting full sandy over here. Sea bass. Ooh. Tanya. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, it's straight up hailing. Oh shit. You guys riding? Yeah. Headed to the spa.
What a leg.
Oh, it feels good, guys. Craft singles, you know it, dude. I'm Jason, by the way. Excellent. How you doing?
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, man.
Ah! Yeah, let's fucking go! Let's fucking go!
Come around you. All right.
Life is a waste of time. Time is a waste of life. Get wasted all the time, and you'll have the time of your life. Yeah! 6, 7, 8, 9,
Oh, dude, the body.
10.
Yeah, it is what it is. I'm not making any excuses for it. It leaks. It's a bitch. It slapped you around, you know. But it's never let me down.
Crooks Moto crew, how you doing?
What up?
We're gonna go ride motorcycles in the mountains. We're going to the Sawtooth Shootout.
All right, Crooks Moto crew, we made it to the trees. We're up in the mountains. Woo. And the vibes are good. The water is crystal. The air is not too hot.
You guys, we didn't do the camp portion of Sawtooth Shootout last year. Axiom just gave me a knife.
Cool.
I'm so hyped right now.
Oh, I didn't even film it. I'm sorry. I was watching, not filming.
goodbye to the Cowie. Got my whole first season of riding on this thing. All right, guys, we're leaving Moto 1 right now. We officially have 2 bikes in our possession. We got Maui's. Here she is, guys. Woo!
New bike day.
New bike day. Let's go, baby. Oh, I'm stoked.
You're on a two-stroke.
Yeah.
You wanted a two-stroke, you're on one.
Yeah. What's up, Crooks Moto crew? We're on crooksmoto.com. If you guys haven't took a look at our website, be sure to check it out. Got a bunch of new products recently on the site for you. If you go down here, you can also go under products and new, find this screen. Got a new denim jacket we just released. It comes in black and normal denim. 2 new Crooks Moto mugs, super cool. The Rip and Reaper logo, the EST22 logo. Also 2 new patches and a new hat for you. If you're curious of all the products that we offer on the site, if you're new to Crooks Moto or haven't seen our website before, take a look at it. Hoodies, t-shirts, hats, beanies, patches, some stickers, all sorts of stuff for you guys to support the channel. And if you like what we're doing, you know, be sure to, cop some of the merch. It helps us just keep this thing going. So anyways, guys, thanks for checking out crooksmoto.com. Appreciate you.
To the custom color barbecue.
Had to do some service on Maui's bike. Looks like he...
Bonnie, what's good? Good to see you, dude. Freaking good, man.
We just stopped by the Legend tent and I'm gonna get some Revo A's on the bagger. All right, ready? The hooligan class is coming out, dude. All right, Crooks Moto crew, we're in Mount Vernon. Donnie's gassing up. Donnie's heading out that direction. So we're gonna say goodbye to Donnie.
Fucking great.
Love you, brother.
Hell yeah.
Let us know when you get home.
See you, man. Bro. Yeah, hell yeah.
All right, Crooks Moto crew, we're back home. We did the 500 miles for 500 subs. It was a great freaking vlog. Anyways, guys, we're gonna have a beer and celebrate.
Cheers.
Cheers, boys. Cheers to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you. Yo, what's up, Crooks Moto crew? Today we are headed to Party at the Pen.
Stoked to meet dudes.
Yeah. Yeah, what up? Party at the Pen, motherfucking shit. Freaking Destroyer Garage, yo. Yo, what's up, Crooks Moto crew?
What's up, Crooks Moto crew? Hanging out with Nathan Sykes.
Yeah.
Painting extraordinaire, BMX Savage.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Johnny boy. We're gonna go see if we can get another tattoo.
by the way.
Doing us 4.
That doesn't work. I'm kidding. Yeah. Ready, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, we have officially made it to camp. We're here. Bikes are looking sick. They're tired from the day's travels. It's water, guys. Sunscreened up, ready for the day. We're gonna go hit the winery. Looking good day, dude. Yeah. Alright guys, we're in shakedown, dude. Sick. Let's freaking go. Might be good on this.
Hey, I love you.
I love you.
I hope you didn't hear that story.
Yo, make sure you like and subscribe, and I guarantee Crooks Moto will take you to the orbisphere.
– 14,000 people have ascended upon the birth of Jesus. And here we are one more time.
Sorry, I ruined it.
All right, I love you, bye.
The Crooks Moto crew. What's up, Crooks Moto crew? And we are headed to the biggest trip Crooks Moto's life, Sturgis 2023. We're rain geared up. Looking sick, boys. All got the match, dude. Pretty sick, dude. We're gonna get back on the road. Guys, cheers. Boys, we made it. Made it to Butte. Oh, that's it's not. Oh no, it isn't. That thing's sick. Made it successfully. Safe. How we feeling, boys? All right, Crooks Moto crew, we're at Full Throttle Saloon. We're here. Cheers. All right, we're here inside. This place is huge. We're getting some patches, some iRoad to Sturgis patches. Now he got his ears lower, dude. Oh, he's damn, dude. You looking feeling so pretty.
Yeah, what up, Crooks Moto? It's Lance Corey. It's Water Sale. We're here hanging out with the boys. We're in Sturgis. It's 2023. Let's get it.
Sturgis Main Street, dude.
Dude, welcome to Sturgis 2023, dude. The bikes are hitting, vibes are good.
Vibes are good.
Rain is strong.
Yeah, dude.
Doing it, man.
Still raining. We were gonna head back, but
The rain got too gnarly.
Hey guys, Matt with Legend Suspensions. I'm the customer service manager here, and we just got both these bikes done and finished up.
Officially at the Buffalo Chip.
Yo!
Blinged out boys, dude.
Yeah, dude. Fucking gorillas in the mist, bro.
Gorillas in the mist. Hell yeah, dude. Buffalo Chip. Skinner's about to come on. Today is day 6 of the journey. Headed back to Boise. All right, guys, we made it to the casino. What's up, Crooks Moto crew? Officially made it to Sturgis 2023. Drop a like if you like the video. Yeah, subscribe for more content. We appreciate all the support, even just the view.
Yeah.
Oh, it feels so nice in here, dude.
What's up, bud?
Dude, not a whole lot. Josh was like, God, I hope Donnie has a fire. What's up?
What's up, guys?
Dude, how's it going?
The rule here is you don't have to shoot it. You can drink it if you want. So cheers.
Thank you, sir. All right, guys, took a quick little snap. Hour and a half left to go for the trip.
Yeah, dude, the views are sick.
But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the vlog. We all had a blast. The Bend homies took care of us. Shout out Donnie, shout out Chad, shout out Will, shout out Sam. Shout out to our homie.
Our homie Kellen, we just want you to know, man, our hearts go out to you. We love you, man. We love you, Kellen.
I'm calling barbed wires. I'm not trying to rip my pants and shit if I can avoid it.
What's up, Crooks Moto crew? We're doing something special today. We're on our way to High Desert Harley-Davidson because Maui may be getting the brand new CVO Road Glide. Dude, we're back in, dude.
All right, we doing this?
Dude, Maui's here, dude.
All right.
Good on it, dude.
What up, Holly? Maui's buying a CVO, dude. Let's go, boys.
No, that's really nice.
And it's the CVO season.
Thanks again, brother. Yeah.
Love you, buddy.
Appreciate all you guys' support too, dude.
Of course, man.
Huge.
Welcome to Crooks Moto. Today we're going to a swap meet. Oh yeah, we're gonna have fun.
Oh, vibes are good. Look, we got a dude with guns over here. We got choppers. I mean, just peeking around the corner.
All right, guys, we got the bike in the show officially. We're here. All right, Josh, Maui, it looks like my bike came in 5th place. 5th place.
I'm telling you, I watched that.
All right, let's get
get riding back home. Yeah, I think that concludes the day.
Officially a new way for you guys to support the Crooks Moto channel in 2024. Introducing the Crooks Moto Patreon. Got a couple different tiers for you guys. We got multiple different ways for you to support. We got a plan starting at if you just want to be the homie and help us out. We got some plans for you if you want to have your name shouted out at the end of every Crooks Moto video. A couple other plans for getting discounts on the merch. Even more discounts on merch, exclusive Patreon only merchandise, and access to our new after hours video series and bonus content that's only available on the Patreon. So be sure to take a look at it. But it's just a big way for you guys to be able to help us support the channel and really just keep this thing going. Be sure to take a look at the Patreon link included in the description of the video. If you're an early supporter of it, we appreciate you. Thanks again for a wonderful and tremendous year. We're stoked for 2024. What up, guys? All right, so you just watched the recap video. I'm gonna go over some analytics for you guys. We got 765 new subscribers on the channel this year. That's awesome. Welcome everybody that's new to the channel. Thanks for subscribing. 262 of you commented on a video at one point in time. Super sick, thanks for that. 2.4K likes on the channel. That's freaking awesome. And 91.6 thousand views on the channel total this year. That's insane growth for us. We didn't have nearly that last year. 6 different states this year: Idaho, Oregon, Washington, South Dakota, Wyoming, and Montana. More than 6 maybe this year, we'll see. An estimated 10,000 miles this year. 10,000 total miles between Sturgis, Washington, Bend, Salt Lake City, all the ripping around here through Idaho and just around town and all the stuff. We want to thank you guys for an incredible year. It's been freaking awesome. From me, Josh, Maui, Dirty, all the homies. Thank you everybody who has a part to do with Crooks Moto and just supporting us, being there at the shows, shaking our hands, saying what's up, watching the videos, liking, commenting, all this stuff. It means a tremendous amount for you guys' support. We've had a lot of success. Josh would be more talkative, but he's sick right now, so we love you guys. Thanks for watching. Freaking let's get 2024 going, dude. This is gonna be the best year thus far. Big stuff's happening this year, so look out for that. Later. Love you.